Hi, hello all of you. Welcome back to this video. So it's 3rd of December, 11:34 at night. My baby is back to sleep and I'm back in front of camera. you know, this is how mom life works. I mean, following baby's routine full day. All mothers, I think they need their own time, their me time. They should do what they like to do, and this is what I like to do. I like to be in front of camera. Editing these videos is like my therapy. It's like a meditation for me. So I like doing this. I have so much energy for this. And I'm back with another topic, I know, which you all are interested in. So let's just get into the video. Just want to mention that December is my favorite time of the year. It's my favorite month until this year, because I gave birth to my son in last December. So this December he's going to turn 1 year old. I'm going to be a mama to 1 year old. It's a big milestone in my life. So I'm really excited. Now I'm more into Christmas and baby's birthday, New Year party and all of that. Now I really you know keep waiting and looking forward to all of these. So as I already mentioned, this is 3rd of November and we are only 20-25 days away from getting into 2026. How amazing is this? I mean, I did not know कि इतना फटाफट चला जाएगा. Like, I'm going to be a mom to 1 year old baby. Okay, no worries. You guys tell me how's this year has been for you. What amazing things you did, what you learned. I also want to mention that in this year I learned a lot about myself, a lot about baby, a lot about life and whatnot. I think wisdom is on my way, good vibes, good things my way. But I'm really excited for 2026, because I think 2026 my baby is going to start walking, talking, full chapat. I am excited and really looking forward to this time. So not wasting a lot of time here, and let's quickly get into the video. The products, the things, the food, the makeup, shake up, sab kuch I ordered from Amazon in 2025, and I absolutely adore and stick by it. I'm going to show you all of this in this video. So my people, let's start with food section. I mean, food binds people, their heart, and food is the only way to get into everyone's heart. So let's start with food. I have gathered few stuff I really like and I adore, which I ordered from Amazon. I'll link all the products below in the description. So if you guys want to order anything, you guys can follow the link. So the first product I have got my hands on is really amazing. It's the yummiest popcorn. Is the yummiest dessert. One of the desserts I have ever had. I know popcorn can be dessert. Yes, of course. With this product, 101%. So this is 4700 BC ka gourmet snacks they call. Of course, a snack. So ये PVR में मिलता था, if you guys remember, and I have been obsessed, like literally obsessed with these. They come in a lot of different flavors, I think, but these two are my absolutely favorite. So this one is Himalayan salt caramel popcorn, and this one is Nutty Tuxedo chocolate popcorn. I mean, you cannot go wrong with this. If you have friends and family coming over for get together, if you have nice movie date at home, Netflix and chill, then this you need this in your bowl and in your bed. You can't go wrong with these. I'm telling you, I have not one or two but 4 dabbas of this. I mean, I want to show you guys. So yeah, you know how important it is to have these babies in your kitchen and in your tummy. Fatafat say order these. These are must buys.
Few minutes later.
I'm done enjoying my popcorn. Actually, I'm not done, but let's start and let's move to the second product. This is for all those who love coffee. This product has been ordered by my husband. He absolutely adores and loves this coffee. This is Lavazza, some Italian coffee. They have different flavors and variants. So this one is notes of chocolate spices. He has been getting all of these like in like bulk order आता है इसका सीधा हमारे घर पे. These are really good coffee beans and he starts his day with this coffee. I also like, but I think इसका जो दूसरा variant है, I enjoy that more. But yeah, good coffee. You should try these coffee beans. This is from Lavazza. So if you love coffee, also like their notes are like really, they have different kind of notes, like medium coffee note, like the stronger one and the mild one. So I think that's why I love the packaging. They have really nice blue color, and the coffee beans are like really good. This is a half a kg pack and I enjoy this coffee, so you guys can order. Next up we have these seeds berry laddus. I know laddu hai, but this is really healthy and amazing. This can be like really good evening snacks for you guys. 2 laddus and you guys are good to go. See, these are the laddus. Okay, they somewhat look like this. इतना छोटू है, इतना मस्त है. I love the aroma of berries and seeds together, so it can be really good healthy snack. This is from the brand Dhananjay. Yeah, and like these are like really nice. You can keep it in your bag, in your purse, if you're traveling, if you're having your evening coffee. This is must. Happy prunes. I really love these prunes. They're perfectly tangy and sweet. I enjoy them early in the morning most of the times, so you guys can have these prunes. They are good quality. इनके पास बहुत सारे अलग अलग ड्राई फ्रूट्स भी है, but I love their prunes, so you can get this. Also this is like really good for your baby's gut, so you can get this. So last but not the least item of the food category. Actually I have 4 variants of this, and this is not meetha. This is a little bit spicy and like, you know, that chai coffee wala time. So 4 or 5 o'clock in the evening I get like a little bit hungry, थोड़ा ऐसा चटपटा खाने का मन करता है, but I don't want to get into like those fried chips, you know, especially the banana wafers or all these potato wafers. तो मुझे हेल्थ की वजह से, फिटनेस की वजह से I feel like snacking on like healthy stuff, if that makes sense. The point is that I like the snacks. These are from 2 brands called Snackable and Truly. They make like really healthy snacks, so you guys can absolutely try. This one is millet finger chatpata masala, source of protein, no palm oil, source of dietary fibers, and roasted. This is what they say, but they're really like yummy and like good. This is what they look like. Also Snackable has really good range of chips, like yummy, healthy. So these one are from Snackable. They say munch better. These are ragi chips in peri peri flavor. I mean, what else I need? These are really good. I really love them. Also my husband, he's always munching on these, so we are always out of the stock for this. Next snacking brand we have is this Truvi. The Truvi makes really good healthy snacks. So this one is healthy makhana chips, cheese and herbs. So it has makhana, urad dal, sabudana and some spices. It's really yummy. Another one I have grabbed is mixed veggie chips, zesty masala they have added. It has beetroot, carrot, spinach and spices. They say all good ingredients, high protein snack. must buy. So Snackable and Chewy, I'm really thankful to you guys for making this snack for person like me who love something tikha chatpata but also healthy. So thumbs up. So that's it for the food snack section. Now let's move to the beauty section. First product I'm going to show you from the beauty category is going to be a body scrub. So this body scrub from M Caffeine is really nice. I really love the packaging. It comes in this glass tin, and the quality and the quantity is really nice. This is your absolute partner for those long, warm, heated up showers. As a mom, which is quite rare, but जब भी time मिलता है, I really love scrubbing myself, smoothly, gently, for those long showers, and then moisturizing up and having that, luxury bath. Too much of dreaming, but this is what you need for those long showers. I really enjoy the aroma of coffee it has. After that long bath, you can have that Lavazza coffee too. So this product is hit for me. You can't go wrong with this product. This product is gem. I don't know why it is not viral, or is it viral? I have no idea. But this face wash. This is Simple Ka refreshing facial wash. This has been so gentle. I was using Cetaphil and Sebamed, but I switched to this Simple face wash. I really love the packaging. The color is refreshing, and it has no aroma absolutely, but it's so gentle and nice on my skin. I have normal to oily kind of skin, but I really adore this. और ये बहुत ही बढ़िया है यार, ये बहुत ही स्मूथ और फ्रेश फील कराता है. सो इफ़ यू गाइज वांट टू ट्राई न्यू फेस वॉश, you must try this one. If you guys are wondering why my skin is looking so nice, it's because of this serum. No gatekeeping, but this serum from this company Dermaco is absolutely game changer in my confidence, because it makes my skin flawless and like spotless. I think I have been using this for good 1 month and I have seen results. People around me has seen the vast difference, and I absolutely adore. This is 10% niacinamide. This is face serum, and I use it after my mist. So if you guys want to try some serum with niacinamide, I think this is perfect to go with. Dermaco 10% niacinamide face serum. So the next product I have is Skin Best Friend, which is sunscreen. I have 2 sunscreen with me. One is the spray bottle from Sunscoop, and one is the sunscreen stick. We'll talk about the sunscreen stick first. This stick is from brand Lakme. It has 50 plus PA plus SPF, and I really enjoy this sunscreen stick because मेरा हाथ गंदा नहीं होता है. I don't like those creams like sticky और सब mess up हो जाता है. So I really like this stick. So to roll it up, and this is how it looks. You can reapply it while traveling. This comes really handy. And I was just bored with that application, so I just got this gliding wala stick, and I like it. Another SPF I mentioned was from this brand Sunscoop. This one is nice, but I think they say no white cast. They do leave little bit white cast, but I don't use it on day-to-day basis. I only use when I'm traveling, especially for those beach days and island life. You just have to spray it all your body, and I think you don't have to like apply the cream sunscreen. I think it gets really messy. So the last product from the beauty category is this water tint from the brand Etude. So you guys have seen this viral water tint from Benefit. I think this is exactly dupe for that. One day I was just sitting thinking, oh, I don't want to order lip balm or lipstick, but I want my lips to be nice, shiny and tinty. So that's when I just thought ki why not I order this water tint. दिस इज इन सम चेरी रेड कलर. ये बहुत ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेड है. You can't use it on cheeks because it gets stained, like literally stained. You can use it for your lips. You can already see the difference. So if you don't want to look like a sick person, then this water tint is must. I think the video is getting bigger and longer. I have just covered two categories, which is snacks, food and beauty. I get really excited and flown by just because I want to express myself and give you all the information I have. But no worries, I think we'll continue in new video. For now, we'll just wrap it up here. In the second part of the video, I'll be coming up with more categories and more products, more useful products. So please wait, I'll be dropping the video soon. Also, thank you for watching the video. If you really like the video, subscribe my channel, comment in the comment box and share the video.